Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Midea portable air conditioner is running but the room still feels warmer than expected, it can be frustrating especially when the fan sounds normal but cooling never seems strong enough. Sometimes the air feels only slightly cool, while other times the unit runs for a long time without changing the room temperature much at all. A situation like this can happen because of airflow restrictions, settings that need adjusting, room conditions, or simple maintenance steps that are easy to overlook. Before thinking something major is going on, there are few quick things worth checking because many cooling issues can improve after small adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help your Midea portable air conditioner cool correctly again. Try these. Step 1. Check the cooling mode on the Midea portable air conditioner and make sure it is not set to fan mode. Step 2. Open the filter section of the Midea portable air conditioner and remove dust buildup if visible. Step 3. Lower the temperature setting on the Midea portable air conditioner so cooling starts more effectively. Step 4. Inspect the exhaust hose connected to the Midea portable air conditioner and confirm airflow moves freely. Step 5. Close nearby windows around the Midea portable air conditioner to help the room cool faster. Step 6. Let the Midea portable air conditioner run for several minutes and check if cooler air begins flowing properly.